Quick Escape Room is a mobile escape room experience designed to give 4 to 10 people a 12 to 15-minute experience that's very comparable to a brick and mortar. It's layered with brilliant clues and fun fact finding challenges to help solve the puzzle. We have several different themes. The Intergalactic Library is a theme that is about aliens and how we've been given numbers and letters, and it's up to us to solve the puzzle and send the password to the Intergalactic Library so that we can save the world from extinction. We thought the numbers and letters were gifts. Turns out it was an IQ test, and you have 12 to 15 minutes to solve this and save planet Earth. We offer other themes. Please check the other videos. And if you have any questions or want to look at the foreign one, it's a combination of these 4 themes into one unit.